Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about Ageless Knees, a unique knee health program designed to reduce knee pain naturally and efficiently. If you're tired of relying on medications or worried about surgery, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Ageless Knees is an innovative program created by Chris Ohachinsky, a certified athletic trainer from Allentown, Pennsylvania. The program uses a simple yet effective routine that involves a towel technique to target the root cause of knee pain. By activating the femoral nerve, this method aims to stabilize your knee and promote long-term relief without invasive treatments. The official website link is provided in the video description below. After watching, you can click on it to learn more. What makes Ageless Knees different from other solutions is its simple yet effective approach. The program introduces a unique technique involving a towel, which aims to activate the femoral nerve, a key nerve responsible for controlling the muscles around your knee. By stimulating this nerve, the program helps stabilize the knee, reduce inflammation, and restore proper function. This method is designed to provide noticeable improvements in knee strength and flexibility in a relatively short period. When you purchase Ageless Knees, you'll receive a comprehensive package that includes multiple resources to guide you through the process. First, there's the Ageless Knees DVD, which offers clear step-by-step instructions on how to perform the exercises correctly. This visual guide makes it easy for you to follow along and ensure you're using the right techniques. In addition to the DVD, you'll also get Ageless Knees digital downloads, giving you instant access to the entire program. This is perfect for those who prefer to get started right away without waiting for the physical DVD to arrive. The package also includes the Ageless Knees digital handbook, which serves as a detailed reference guide with tips, insights, and additional instructions to enhance your results. One standout feature is the Miracle Massage Wand, a special tool designed to mimic the effects of electroacupuncture. This wand helps improve blood circulation, relax tight muscles, and promote faster recovery, all of which contribute to reducing knee discomfort. Now, let's talk about results. People who have tried Ageless Knees have reported reduced pain, stronger knee support, and improved mobility. The routine is designed to be easy to follow, making it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. If you're concerned about trying something new, here's some good news. Ageless Knees comes with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. This means you can try the program risk-free, and if you're not happy with the results, you can request a full refund. If you're ready to experience better knee health, I've included the link to the official website in the description below. Remember, this is the only place to get the authentic Ageless Knees program. Feel free to check it out, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.